super excited today to talk to you about this little book right here called Don't Ask Google, Ask the Bible. About 3 years ago, I was thinking through how could we share the gospel with just using the scripture. I'd seen promise books, we sell them in our store, the little Bible promise books, but most of them weren't really focused on sharing the gospel with others. I wanted something that would really be clear about sharing the gospel. You know, there's a lot of questions we have in life, and often we turn to Google if we want the answers. But if you look at the most searched questions in Google, there's questions like, what is love? What is faith? Is the Bible true? What happens when I die? Those are the kind of questions that if you want to know the answer, you need to not go to Google, but to an irrefutable source of truth like the scriptures. That's what this book is all about. What are the answers to life's biggest questions, and where can I find those answers? So this book was designed to go through some of those questions. What is truth? What is evil? What does wisdom really mean? And the answers in there are all scripture verses. Why is hope so important? For whatever things were written before were written for our learning, that through the patience and comfort of the scriptures, we might have hope. That's Romans 15:4. That's just one example, all the way through. How do I find help with depression? Help with loneliness? How can I follow Christ? What about the angels? You just go, what will happen in the future? How do I know if I'll go to heaven or not? And it's all just the scripture's answers to those kind of questions. If you want a great tool that's inexpensive, you can get this little book here. The retail price is $6.99. If you want to buy and buy the case, the price will go down a lot. But our main thing is we want people to buy these, give them away to friends, to family members. They're little bite-sized snippets of scripture that will hit them right where their point of need is. So don't ask Google, ask the Bible. Check it out, clcpublications.com.